What's going on, guys? Phil here with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with another quick matchup for you. So if you don't know, basically what we're doing here is showing you what a certain size tire looks like on a certain size wheel. So today we have a 24x14. This is a ARKON, the Crown Series, the Victory. This one's actually been custom painted, so we popped the ring off, painted it maroon, matches truck, painted the center cap as well. And you'll see that this looks like it's used, and that's because it is. So a customer ordered them, got super excited, put them on his truck and drove with it stock, and then brought them here and was like, okay, now I need the lift. So that's why the tire's a little bit dirty. So overall, like I said, 24x14, so we're talking 24 by 14 deep. And then this is a 375/40 R24. This is the Nitto Trail Grappler, I believe. Yes, Trail Grappler. So what that equates out to in a standard measurement, you're gonna look at 35.8 tall by about 14.8 wide. So overall height, 35.8, overall width, 14.8. So that's kind of what the standard numbers are. Otherwise, like I said, 375/40 R24. As far as sidewall height goes on this, you are looking to the seam about 4 1/4, to the top of the tread about 5 1/4 roughly. So that kind of gives you a decent amount of sidewall for a 24. It's obviously still not a ton. It's not like you're gonna be off-roading on a setup like this. Overall sidewall, like I said, this is a 14 wide wheel and just a little over 14 wide, or just under 15, I should say, as far as the tire goes. So there's no stretch. It's pretty much straight up and down on both sides, obviously. So kind of turn it so you can see what that looks like head on. So wheel disappears, so there's no stretch at all there. And yeah, that's essentially all it is for a matchup. So these are gonna get installed on a truck here, and then I'm sure we'll have a video on the whole thing you can check out too. Peace.